Hey guys, I am the Guitar Ninja, and I have noticed there is something really wrong in the guitar industry, especially about guitar teachers. The guitar world is dying a bit in comparison to a lot of other music ventures, and I think the biggest reason is guitar teachers are old guys. Now, the majority of these old guys have fallen into their routines, teaching old songs from years and years and years ago, and just getting you to grind through exercises and learn some basic few chord songs. And I think it's all wrong. Guitar should be about what's exciting, what's new, what's young, what's crazy. And I realised that I started to fall into those routines of the boring guy as well. And I started doing, here's a daily routine that's along to a metronome that's going to speed up, and it wasn't getting views. And I realised now that's because it's not fun or exciting. It's pretty damn boring. So I've decided I'm going to kick it up a lot. My videos are not going to be as consistent or as often going forwards, but they're going to be a lot more exciting. Or there'll be updates on the exciting things that are going to come up for those that want to follow the journey. So let me give you a bit of an update on what I'm doing to make the guitar world a bit more exciting again. I am the Guitar Ninja, and apart from a logo, I've not been doing much ninja-y stuff. So I'm going to try and do things a little bit more extreme. I want to make guitar learning cool and fun again, and not just boring exercises to show that you can get better at guitar. So I'm going to do things that are a lot more cool and exciting, and I've got some really cool ideas in the pipeline, and I will spill the beans soon. Main reason for this video was to explain why I'm going to be posting a lot less frequently to start off with, until I've got this understanding on where I'm actually going with this channel. I'm going to take a little bit less time to focus on regularity of videos, but focus a little bit more on quality of videos. So one of the crazy things I am doing is building a workshop to do some weird and unusual custom guitars, and set myself some weird challenges on building some quirky guitars in that workshop. Secondly, for those local, I am relaunching the face-to-face clubs, so there is guitar events to get together and jam and have that fun and exciting world, and not just playing along in your bedroom. On top of this, I have gamified the Guitar Ninja Academy, which many of you will probably already know, but if you don't, it's a place you can go to learn guitar online, hundreds of video lessons, but it's really been gamified to make it as fun as possible. You create your own character and upgrade them, all sorts. And then I'm going to get back into doing some of my original Shredtastic music. That I'm going to put out there, and going to make some really interesting videos. It's actually the music videos for these that have got me the most excited, but I'm not going to spill the beans just yet. Okay, so I can guarantee now that there will be a 2-week period without a single video going up onto this channel. The reason for that is I'm actually going to be going away, analysing exactly what I'm doing with this channel, with my business, with my own personal life. I'm going to do a real deep dive inside and study myself, week away, and sort myself out. Then once I know what I'm doing and I've done all the hard work, I'm then having a week of relaxation, when I will then be coming back in full force, working on all of the stuff that I've clarified on that first week. So there won't be any videos for the next couple of weeks, but from then on there should be some greater quality videos with better content that you guys are going to enjoy a lot more. So thank you for subscribing, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you in a new video soon.